Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. The first method, you just open your phone and tap and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your IMEI information. And the second method is you just open settings, go to the bottom, tap on about phone, and here you can see your IMEI information, IMEI slot 1, IMEI slot 2, and here you have your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.